In today's competitive world, employers look for professionals with globally recognized finance skills. Are you ready to become one of them? Chax Holdings Limited provides professional learning assistance for CFI courses, helping you navigate your learning journey with personalized mentoring and support. Whether you're pursuing financial modeling, banking, capital markets, or AI for finance, our experienced mentors are ready to support you every step of the way. Gain confidence and practical skills that employers value through personalized coaching, case study assistance, and expert career development support. Whether you're a student, accountant, or entrepreneur, Chax Holdings is committed to helping you advance your professional development. Take the next step today. Contact Chax Holdings Limited and let us support your CFI journey. Send us a WhatsApp or email to get started.